man, welcome back to the channel. Real quick, let's talk, man. Y'all remember the video I just did about the no crank situation, how to get your car to start using your index finger? That's right, your index finger. It's not clickbait, it's real true stuff. Okay, I showed y'all in that video. In fact, if you didn't watch that video, or if you didn't catch that video, or if it happened to slip by you because you don't have the notification bell on, you know, while you hopefully subscribed to my channel, I'm going to show you where you can view that video at the upper right hand corner. I'll put it right there. Go back and look at that. Anyway, what I was talking about is a way to start it in the event of an emergency. Okay, so now we're at the point where we are about to replace it. All right, so replacing an ignition switch. Now this applies to any car, like I said, that utilize an external ignition switch. This car happens to be 2006 model PT Cruiser. All right, let's get with replacing it. Okay, now here's your ignition switch. Here's the screw that holds the ignition switch. This is my new ignition switch right here. All right, so what we got to do, I think that is a real tiny small T15 or T10 maybe. Okay, torque bits. Okay, let's get this connect off first. All right, release that red pin out and just simply unplug the connector. Now, like I say, take your small torque bit. Like I said, I think it's T15 or T10. But at any rate, whatever the size is, you got to get the size, and we got to unscrew that. Keep in mind, we're in a real tight spot. Okay, so you're gonna need the smallest ratchet that you have probably to pull this off. All right, just simply unscrew. It's not that long, but it can be a little petty. All right, so we're gonna get that all unscrewed. Now, where we at? All right, now what you got to do is yeah, you might have to finish it up with your hand. Okay, now this tilt leveler, you're gonna have to get it out your way. In some cases, sometimes I have to bend it out my way, because what you're trying to do is back that ignition switch out past the key insert. Once this key go inside, it pushes in an insert to let the computer know that the key has been inserted. All right, so let's take the key out altogether so that insert plunger can pull itself all the way in. Now, just simply pull this ignition switch outwards. There you have it. It is off of the chamber, but you're fighting with that pin, so be careful, guys, not to break this. That is very important. All right, there you have it. That's your ignition switch. So from there, all you do is reverse the removal procedure to get it back on. But like I said, be mindful of that pin. That brown pin is sticking out. It has to go dead center to the ignition switch. All right, and all you do is place it back on. Make sure when you pull the key out, well, naturally you're gonna be in the off position. All right, here's my new ignition switch. The old one was basically worn out. All right, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you replace an ignition switch. This particular car happens to be a Chrysler PT Cruiser, but this particular repair can apply to a number of cars. All right, so don't let that discourage you. I'm gonna try not to even name this PT Cruiser, because some people won't watch it because they figure it don't apply to them because they don't have a PT Cruiser. But in essence, this video can apply to any car. I just happen to be working on a PT Cruiser, and I'm giving away all my PT Cruiser secrets. So if you own a PT Cruiser, it is in your best interest to subscribe to the channel and catch every last one of my videos. In fact, I got a playlist dedicated to basically PT Cruiser repairs and the car itself. All right, so as a matter of fact, I will link that in the upper right hand corner. I don't know which side it's on, but it's gonna be in the upper right hand corner. Just click that and you can go see all the PT Cruiser related videos that I've made in the past. All right, I don't want this video to be long, so thanks for watching. I showed you a nice little hack trick, and I showed you how to fix it. Remember, hacks and tricks are temporary, okay? Eventually, you're gonna have to get it repaired the correct way. All right, so thanks for watching, man. Comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next video.